Alright guys, what is up? It is beautiful today. It's Friday before Memorial Day weekend, and we're gonna do some more red fishing and hopefully try to get on some. I got this sweet honey hole near Topsail, so we're gonna try to go there. Got some paddle tails, got some leftover shrimp, and we're gonna try to find some crabs, maybe anything else that we can use for bait. And I got the cast net, so maybe some pinfish or mullet or whatever. The tide's gonna start falling soon, so they're gonna push in this little hole where I found my secret little spot, and we're gonna try to get on some, man. So wish me luck. Oh, there's one. Look at that. There's one right there. Look at that. There's one. Look at that. Woo! Look at that one. Awesome. Holy crap, dude. That's a good one that I just caught. Wow. Wow. Wow, dude. That guy was just chilling there. Set the freaking hook, man. I thought it was like a flounder or something for a sec. Oh, my Lord. Come this way. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. Whoo! Oh man, he's still on. Wow. Wow. Oh my Lord. Good fish, man. Good redfish. Ugh. Wow, I can't believe that freaking... I cannot believe I got that guy. Whew, man. That was a good catch, man. That's a good catch. Come on. Really try not to break this guy off. Wow, dude. Good fish. Good fish. Really try not to jinx it and mess this up right here. Come on. Come on, man. Oh my Lord. Oh man, I should have set the hook way harder, but I always hesitate, guys. That's my weakness when it comes to catching redfish. I always hesitate about setting the hook. God. Good catch. Oh dude, that might be an overslot. No freaking way. No way. No, I don't think it's an overslot. Definitely a slot though. Wow. Yep, look at that slot, man. Good fish. Oh, he's still fighting. Oh, this... Come on. You're done. You're done. Okay. Gotcha. Yes, dude, first catch of the day. Been fishing for like 20 minutes maybe. Oh, he inhaled it, dude. He had no chance. I did set the hook well. Okay. That was a good that was a good catch, man. I think he swallowed it, man. Look at that red. Oh man, what a fight. All right, buddy, open up. Open up. Oh, man. This guy swallowed this thing, dude. I'm trying to get it out, but I don't even know if it's possible. Oh, got it. All right, there we go. How's that for a redfish, huh? That's a good first ride of the day, man. Definitely slot, probably 22, 23, I would say. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Hello. no. Is he good? Okay, he's going against the current, so he's he's good. Oh, there's one right there. Look at that. Oh, dude, he's right there. Look. Oh my God, dude, if I can get him to bite. Oh. All right, guys, a quick update. Tide just dropped all the way, so it's low tide right now. So this whole area behind this grass line is completely dry right now. So what I'm gonna try to do is get some live bait, because I have not gotten any bites on paddle tails and any redfish bites on shrimp, which is kind of strange, but we're gonna try to get some minnows or mullet or something, and or maybe even crabs, and just try to get one on that way, because I have seen some in these holes right here. There are some in there right now, and they're trapped because they can't go out this way, they can't go out the other way. So we're gonna try to get them with some minnows or mullet, I guess. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, dude, that's a giant. That's a giant mud crab. Oh, dude, there's another one. Yes. Oh, yes, there we go. Finally. Another red. I really hope I'm recording right now. Finally. Wow. Good red. Oh my God, that's a good red. He ate that crab, that's for sure. Finally, man. I knew there was a good one in here. Get over here. Ha ha ha. Finally. Whew. God, man, I'm scraping away for that guy. Another slot. Come here, buddy. Gotcha. Whew, man, scraped away for that guy, but finally, definitely another good one. Probably 23, 24 incher. Let's get a quick pick with this guy, and then let's let him go and try to catch some more in there. That's a good red. I got him muddy, but whew, let's get over there fast so we can revive this guy in time. Got it. Okay. There he goes. He's good. All right. Oh, dude. Oh. There we go. There we go. Gotcha. Please stay on there. Dude, what is going on? There we go. Third redfish. Yep. Got him. Ugh. Come on. Oh, worst time for that to be happening right now. I can't get the net. All right, forget the net. I'm gonna... Oh my God, that's another good one. Oh my God, dude, nothing but slots today. Nothing but slots today. Oh man. Dude, come on. All right, there we go. Okay, thank God. Okay, I think he's hooked well. I'm not that worried, but I would love to get this guy in. Been grinding away for these reds, man. This is crazy though, man. Nothing but slots today. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised I haven't caught any puppy drum in this area. Okay. Dude, these guys have zero quit, man. Zero quit whatsoever. Look at that red. Yes, come here. Oh, no you don't. No you don't. No you don't. He's flopping all over the place. God, man, that's another nice one. Oh, yes. Whew. Oh my God, dude. Another slot. Oh, dude. This is awesome, man. Nothing but slots today. So there you go. There's another one. Oh my God. He almost got out of the kayak, dude. Check that guy out, huh? Another 23 incher, maybe? 23, 24? I don't know. I'm not keeping fish, so I don't really care, but if I had to guess, 23 or 4. I kind of stopped seeing redfish activity, so we, made a few casts and worked our way back, but nothing really good. So now's the point in the video where I tell you all this stereotypical YouTube stuff, where you should subscribe, like, share it, all that crap. If anybody has any suggestions, man, let me know. I'm gonna do sheepshead soon, like I mentioned in the last video. I'm just waiting on the Hobie reverse drive to come in. I finally ordered one. Because doing that stuff on the docks is not fun, man. If you can't go in reverse, it is a nightmare, especially in the summertime with all the boat traffic. It sucks. So on a more serious note, this was something that I wanted to mention to you guys, to anybody that watches this channel, anybody that likes any of my videos, just anybody that sees this. So I've got a couple friends, Ian and Hannah. Hannah's going through a really rough time. She got diagnosed with lymphoma, and they're just going through a really rough time, and they don't have health insurance, and they really can't afford the treatment. She's got to go through chemo, and I'm sure like another procedure maybe, and like medications and all this mess, just stuff that they really can't afford. So they created a GoFundMe. I'll try to put the link down in the description of the video if you guys want to donate. I don't know if YouTube will allow me, but I'm gonna try it. But yeah, on a real note, seriously consider donating. Anything to help out the cause. They're two of my good friends, and I want to see them. I want to see them hopeful and be able to go through that treatment without owing debt for the next 20 years. So, anybody that donates, it would greatly be appreciated, by them. It'd be appreciated by me. I'd really appreciate it. But anyways, plenty more of this stuff to come in the future, and sheepshead, and a few other things, maybe Spanish, who knows, man. Now that I got this water snake trolling motor, it is a breeze getting from point A to point B. So, it's really helped me out a lot. So, all right, man, see you guys next time. Enjoy the sunset and just chill out.